This Montblanc 322 has certainly seen better days. That's why I took the time to give it some thorough care and attention. The cap looked as if someone had tried to scrape off an engraving with a knife. The hard rubber parts had become heavily oxidized and the mechanism was completely stuck. On the old ink sac there was a hard crystallized residue and the clip had developed a thick layer of rust. The inside of the barrel was also heavily soiled, so I had to sand away the worst of the dirt and then lightly polish the interior. I removed the rust from the clip with a fine file, smoothed the surface and finally oiled it to prevent new rust from forming. After that, the old ink sac and all glue residues on the grip section had to be removed. The remaining parts were disassembled before I started working on the surfaces. The hard rubber parts were treated in several stages using fine sandpaper lightly moistened with oil. No worries, no water was used here. After a thorough polish, I was very satisfied with the result. The new ink sac was glued in with shellac, the excess carefully removed and a bit of talcum powder applied, completing this step as well. Finally, everything was reassembled and the fountain pen once again shone in its old glory. I aligned the clip so that the scraped area on the cap is as inconspicuous as possible. In my opinion, that was the best compromise for this issue. Of course, a little writing test at the end was a must.